Over the past few years, we've seen a significant change in the landscape that our CIOs that we work with operate in their customers. It came about a few years ago with the consumerization of IT, that concept of bringing your own device into an organization and wanting the same look and feel, speed to delivery, access to data that they could have at home that they wanted at work. That gave the CIO a number of challenges and pressure from other parts of the organization that they maybe didn't have before. The board wanted quicker access, more flexible IT. That then came to the whole concept of needing to be more agile in the whole implementation of infrastructure to support the business. As industries get more competitive, new players come into the marketplace, they needed new ways of delivering IT back to the business. Cloud and other consumption models became more prevalent. A lot more choice for our CIO, but more challenges to implement. The concept of bimodal IT grew in the industry, where you could really leverage the assets that you have in your legacy infrastructure whilst you go and build a new, more agile infrastructure to really respond to those business demands. The whole concept of software-defined, where you abstract the complexity out of the hardware and put that into a software layer so you can start really responding to the digital agenda of your organization. The concept of deploying a digital-ready infrastructure became prevalent in a number of our customers. They knew that they couldn't give access to the data, the changes that the business needed without really building that infrastructure out, making it far more agile, far more adaptive to the organization. Start with the network and then start having pools of compute and storage that you can manipulate and drive and respond to those business demands. One of the other challenges they had was the movement of budgets around the organization. No longer was the CIO in control of the whole IT budget. Businesses wanted to really take control of their own destiny. Cloud was a bit of a driver for that as well. Marketing departments, line of business, going out to cloud providers for their services, whether or not that be well-known organizations or niche providers of specific applications for specific use cases for the business. The whole drive at the moment for our CIO is really grappling with those various elements that they've got within their business and turn their function not just into an ISP so they can respond and deliver those services, but also really address the challenge they've got with giving access to the information that their customers, their users really need.